And Commissioner, what I wanted to do is to go through with you some of the tax gap information. As you know, I've sent you 2 letters on it, and we've already talked about the fact that you're in the process of getting those back. We got one yesterday, but it didn't really provide the kind of detail that I was asking for. So I'd like to ask you to follow up with more detail on what I asked in my May 10th letter about the tax gap. And let me get into what that is right now. When you testified earlier before the committee, you estimated, if I recall correctly, that the gap could be as high as $1 trillion. Does that?
Let me say that your letter, and I think you see my response to your letter, because you made comments about how others said I said it is a number, and that's why I put the quote in there of what I said is, right? And so you had that right. But yes, $1 trillion was the number that got picked up.
All right. Now I see Senator Warren's back. Senator Warren, I'm just going to finish a statement here, and then I won't ask you to respond to this right now, but I would like you to respond back with more clarity. When you testified before us, you mentioned that some of the reasons for the increase in the $441 billion tax gap estimate that was 10 years ago was inflation, cryptocurrency, and at that time you indicated unreported or concealed income offshore and in pass-through entities. And I just wanted you, and I'd like to ask you, not now, but I'd like to ask you to parse out how you get to that $1 trillion figure in terms of where are we losing the collections that of lawfully due taxes, so that we can have a better idea about how we can assist you in getting those taxes collected.